Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a message to all recent players on your PlayStation 4. So if you recently played with someone or you want to go ahead and find more people to play with, etc., we can go to the home screen, then go to Messages right here and select this. Now under here, let's go to Create Message. Then go to the Played Together section right here on the bottom. And then we can select their names. So we can select everyone under this list. So we'll only show up 99 people that we've last played with. So most of these people are through like Call of Duty. We can go through all their names and we can check mark them just like this. And once we get done, we can go on over to confirm. So I have 25 out of 99 selected. And they're going to be added to a group now. And then we can go ahead and message them or send them a smiley or something like that. So let's send them something in here. So it's very easy to create a message group with a lot of people that you recently played with. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.